Yo, back with Myke LS. So today's video, people, is got some trimming here for the box Chevy. So I removed the trimming. Basically tried to clean the trimming up. The trimming was in bad condition, so I decided to, you know what, man, let's color match it somewhat with the box Chevy, as y'all can see. So as y'all can see, all the trimming is out. Not all of it, but majority of it. I still have this side trimming right here that I gotta remove, and we gotta do some refinishing to it. So basically I got the back trimming, which is out, and some of the front. So as y'all can see from the back, I removed all the trimming, just a little remix, as I told y'all that I'm doing to the orange box Chevy. So I got all the trimming out. So basically I'm just gonna take the saran wrap off of the trimming and basically do a quick install. And I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I mean, just part of what I'm doing for the summer. Nothing too much, as I told y'all. If y'all look into my back end videos, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Look at my back end videos. But just little remix for the summer, nothing too much, you know what I mean, because basically summer is here. So I'm not gonna take the motor out, I'm not gonna go do this and that, just little detailed things that I'm just adding on to the box Chevy, like I've told y'all. So basically just stay tuned with me. Just gonna basically unwrap all of this and just try to get it reinstalled back into the box Chevy. So I'm gonna put y'all on a quick time lapse while I do this, because I know y'all wanna see me just sit here and unwrap. So put y'all on a time lapse and we be right back. Alright guys, so I finished, just did a quick install. As y'all can see, something a little bit different. Ain't done yet, because we ain't done making it spicy, so I'm just giving y'all a preview of what's to come. Let me give y'all some light with it. Pretty much clean, back together. Stand back and give it my look. looks way better from before. As I said, I see how I'm coming. As I said, I'm not done yet. Just a few more little minor touches I have to do, and we'll be all done. So I said I still have to do these right here, which is not complete yet. Just wanted to get a few of them done, just put together and put on, which is clean. And just trying to just get the orange box together for the summer, little by little, not doing too much, as I said, because I know shops is booked up, everything is full. I'm not taking apart my car, as I said, and it's just little detailed things I want to do to make it pop for the summer 2025. And then for 2026, then we may go crazy with it. So, yeah, so we actually put the trimming back on most of it. And as I said, we're not done yet. Y'all already know T-Rizzy on the side. Y'all already know, y'all already see. And yeah, just wanted to give y'all a quick video tonight of what I got going on. And I do have something else to show y'all, but I think I'll show y'all in another video. All right, if you're new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, like, Myke LS. Catch you on the next video.